Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy zipper pocket. It looks really complicated and has a very clean, tailored look, but it's actually very easy to do. I'm going to be using the same technique as I did on the welt pocket that I showed earlier this month. If you missed that video, comment welt below and I'll send it to you. I'm going to put the pocket right here below the welt one. To start, fuse interfacing to the pocket fabric where you want the pocket opening to be. Next, draw your pocket opening. The outer rectangle is going to be my sew line, and the inner lines will be the cut lines. Pin the fabric together so it doesn't move when you start sewing. Sew the outer rectangle as straight as you can. Now fold and make a small clip on that center line. Cut until you reach the triangle and clip as close to the corner as you can without cutting through the thread. Repeat that on the other 3 corners. Turn the pocket fabric to the inside. I don't want the pocket fabric to be seen at all on the other side, so I'm going to make sure I see a little bit of the outer fabric on this side. Now press it down and turn it over. I like to sew the opening side of my zipper together so that when I unzip it to sew it in, it stays together. Line up your zipper where you want it in the opening. I also don't like the metal tab to show, so I tuck it into the back. Just make sure that it's not in your sew line or cut it off so that you don't hit it with your needle. Pin in place and top stitch this outer edge. I usually use matching thread, but so that you can see clearly what I'm doing, I'm using a lighter thread here. Now bring the pocket fabric up and sew the top line. As you sew up the sides of the pocket, make sure you catch the triangle here. That will secure the opening. Now you can trim off the excess of each side, and that's it. The pocket's done. See, wasn't that just so easy? There's a lot of uses for this technique. Make sure you like and follow for more variations of this same pocket. And thanks so much for watching.